This video allows you to check your skills by attending the questions and learning while you examine yourself in this self-assessment. The job title is Rotating Equipment Mechanical Technician, Level 2, Offshore Oil and Gas. Your purpose is to perform routine and non-routine maintenance, fault finding, and repair of various equipment to ensure safe and reliable offshore production. A Level 2 technician carries out skilled preventative and corrective maintenance with moderate supervision. Key responsibilities include troubleshooting, disassembly, and reassembly of mechanical components according to manuals and executing preventative maintenance activities. Troubleshooting and technical tasks involve diagnosing common problems like abnormal vibration or leakage. You will perform laser or dial alignment of equipment assemblies and interpret basic condition data to support reliability analysis. In safety, compliance, and coordination, you must strictly follow HSE procedures, including permit to work and lockout/tagout. Participate actively in risk assessments and coordinate with other disciplines during multidisciplinary maintenance. Skills and competencies include a solid understanding of offshore rotating equipment, the ability to read and work from P&IDs and OEM manuals, and strong teamwork skills. All the very best with your assessment. You may also attend the Level 3 skill assessment later.